up guys, welcome to my channel Things Unboxing for You. So today after a long time we are going to be unboxing something again. So now I'm going to be unboxing the Canon DSLR camera, which is the EOS 3000D, and the price of this on the side is written as approximately 30,000 rupees, but I got it on sale from Flipkart at 17 to 18,000. So the features of this are really good. All, as you can see, the camera itself is a DSLR with 35x optical zoom, and also you get a 16 GB memory card inside. So this is a kit which also contains a lens, which is the EOS 1855 II. So let's quickly unbox it. So let's see the box contents. First you have the camera strap, Canon written on it. Then you have a reference guide. Then you have this flap. Then we have inside the 16 GB memory card, the warranty card, and some other paperwork. So here is the back. The camera strap is here, and then over here you have these two hooks to clip in the camera strap. So let's put the battery inside. So here is the case for the battery. And that's it, you just clip the battery, and then next we're going to put the memory card inside. So this is a 16 GB memory card, and let's place it inside. Here is our memory card by Kingston. So you put it in the same place, right above the battery. That's it, and then let's connect the lens. Just leave that hand up. Then what I got, you can probably tight. So let's on the camera. So over here it's just ask you to set the date and other stuff. So right now I'll quickly set it up. So the camera is completely set up, and let's see all the features. So over here on top you have the flash, and then what happens is that at bottom you have the tripod holder and the battery pack. On towards the right you have an HDMI port and another USB port. Then the top you have the main scroll button for different features. Then on the top two sides you have the strap holder, and this mostly I guess is for the microphone if you want to connect an external one. Then front is our lens. Here is the clicking button. Then front are the buttons for setting up and doing other stuff. You will be seeing some photos which have been clicked with this camera right now. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. We have unboxed the camera. Next video will have more features of this sort. Thanks for watching.